but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. For a lot of hate. Get up out the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Good morning. What's going on, everybody? Yes, I know. I'm down here. Good morning. Look, if I go over here, my camera is so broken, it's not even funny. I'm trying. So we're going to have to figure out a setup for our beautiful camera because it's clearly not wanting to work. It's clearly not wanting to work. It's just being it's being an absolute twat. Oh man, so the problem is, let me know if you guys can hear me all right. So the problem is that the camera needs, I might just go and get a green screen. I might order a green screen because, I mean, I use NVIDIA Broadcast and it just like messes it up. So I might just get a green screen because it's really just, doesn't matter what I do to it. Oh, maybe that one's better. Is that one better? Look at this. That's better. I might go and get a green screen because the computer I'm using clearly cannot power. Let me crop this for us here. Clearly cannot power the amount of alpha we're giving on a daily basis. So we're going to go over here. Oh, yeah. I'm going to shrink myself. Shrinkage. Ooh, it's cold. It's cold. Okay. Now we're going to flip myself. Transformers, flip horizontally. There. Now I'm looking at the charts. And you. And you. And I got to remember that you can't see market cipher through my shoulders. So I can't be doing TA over here. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to the Alex O Crypto Show. We're here ready to trade as usual. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's say hi to the chat and how you guys are making fun of me. This is like a straight up Kodak moment, okay? This is a Kodak moment. Thank you, everybody. I mean, the show must go on. It doesn't really matter. I'm sure you wouldn't even care if you could see me. As long as we got the good calls, you'd be happy, okay? You'd be happy. I'd be happy too. And I am happy just to say good morning to every single one of you guys. Now, I am looking for a retest of VWAP for a long, okay? Retest of VWAP for a long. Okay, we are coming up to some resistance right now. Just so you guys know. Okay, just so you know. I am looking for this retest here. I think it's coming in at 60, 61.2, 67,200. Somewhere around there. We'll see. We'll see. I want to say good morning to you. I'm looking 10 years younger. Let's go, Al Jr. Good morning to you, man. Thanks for the kind comment, brother. Thanks for the kind comment. Wow, look at all the people in here, man. Good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. Happy Thursday. Good morning, Otter Gang. Let's get this morning. Let's go, Al Jr. Chris Klein, gang. Good morning to everybody. Says Chris Klein. Good morning to you, my man. Father time. We got Chris Klein and Father time. My God, what's going on? Good morning to you guys. Hope you're doing well. Marco, what's going on? Good morning to you, Crypto Zen. Hope you're doing well. Darren does things. Darren, are you going to be doing things or are you just going to take a break? I think you deserve a break. Shout out to everybody got their coffee. I made another one. We got a little bit of a breakout retest here. I don't know if we're going to come all the way down, but I'm looking for it. We got a little bit of bearish signs on the short term. You guys got to let me know what I should do. Should I just paint the background black maybe? I don't know. I could put some nice trees and shit like everybody else. I could put a nice shelf in my office. I mean, I have a nice office. I have a bookshelf I could pull in. I don't know. We can get aesthetically pleasing backgrounds. I think the green screen's the best idea, though, because you want to see the charts. You don't really give a shit about my face. I also have a filter I could put on this thing. I can make this like a, where is it? Edit filters, add filter. Okay, add. Then we go browse, and then we look for, where's that filter? I can make it hexagonal. I've done this before. This was my old setup. Look at this. Oh, this is pretty gangster. Okay. Okay, and then I gotta move this thing over here. See, it's a bit big, right? That's what she said. I gotta zoom out or something like that. See, it's a hexagon. Oh, it's kind of cool, isn't it? I could shrink myself a little bit more. And then I could center myself. Ooh, yeah, look at that. That's cool. Isn't that cool? Look, we're hexagonal, baby. We're this little hexagon yelling at you. Use a stop loss. That's cooler for today. We'll keep it like this for today. As long as we're not choppy and laggy, I don't really give two poops, okay? You guys liking the hexagon? Let me know. Put a 1 in the chat for the hexagon. We need a diamond. We'll see. Good morning to you, Crypto Zen Marco. Darren does things in my hero. What's up, homie? What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Thank you so much for being here. Mad love to you. Good morning, Aaron. Got in my long at 66,700 this morning. Look at you, Mr. Brumbelow, kicking ass, taking names. Man, that's incredible. Good job, bro. Good day, Otters. Sunny day in Amsterdam. That's awesome. Man, I haven't done Amsterdam, but I will do Amsterdam one day. I mean, we do like to travel. We do have a little one, but we do like to travel. Why am I essential enough to have to work through the vid, but not enough to be exempt from jury duty? Well, because they value your honest appraisal of jury duty. Nice entry, David Brumbelow. Let's go. Crypto Zen, Blair Stevenson. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Blair. I hope you're having a wonderful morning. Saying STL coin. Alex making coffee great again. Always making coffee great again. MAGA, baby. Maybe I'll wear my Trump shirt. I have a Trump shirt. Not gonna lie. It says, I wear this shirt because it offends people I don't like. It says that on it. I don't know. My cousin got it for me. He thought it was funny. I agreed. Okay? Michael, good morning to you. Hey, all you sexy people. Alex O, let's go. Brian McManus, French toaster, the coolest, bravest toaster in all of it. Okay, ban him. Who are we banning? Aaron, what's going on? Skates in backwards. Let's go. Roller skates. Now, have you guys ever roller skated before? I mean, Me, I played hockey, so I'm a very good ice skater. But with those roller skates, you stop by going backwards on roller blades. Have you ever? I mean, I've wiped out pretty hard on roller skates before, just trying to stop like this, and then woof, ate shit. Induranga Lakshan. Indurango, good morning to you. I'm working on your name. I'll get better. I promise. Induranga. We'll just call you the Shan. No, we won't. We won't insult you. Induranga. We'll just go Induranga. Good morning to you. Good morning, Mark Dutch. How are you doing, brother? I want to see some Mark Dutch clogs in the chat. Let's see some Bitcoin clogs, baby. Let's go for all those Netherlands Dutch people. I think Sibel, all of you. Mad love to the Dutch. How did we get such a Dutchy audience? Maybe that's Chris Klein's. No, I'm joking. Maybe that's Mark Dutch's doing. He's just bringing them all over. He's advertising on the Dutch streets. Wiggity, 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 whack. What's going on, Al Jr.? Hassan Siam, good morning to you, man. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. V Monitor, what's going on? I've really appreciated your comments on the videos. V Monitor always comes through and sends a nice message on the videos, even if I don't see him on the live. So thank you, V Monitor, for your kindness, man. That means a lot. You have a camera. Oh, yeah, I know, right? Send me a message when you're ready. Yes, sir. It's just the computer booting up the NVIDIA broadcast and taking out the green screen, right? That's what's really driving my computer nuts, and I'm just going to get a green screen. Very simple fix. I mean, how much is a green screen? Can't be that much. I just get some green paint, for Christ's sakes, if I have to. Bring twice if you need help. Al Jr., thank you, man. Good morning. I mean, we're doing all right. We got 110 people in here. If you guys wouldn't mind, it does help. I hate asking, but if you wouldn't mind pressing back on your phone and pressing the little like button. We're trying to grow. We're almost at 3,900 subscribers, guys. This is incredible. We've been crushing it as a community. I mean, it's always come on, give us wisdom, says Avia. Yeah, we're going to review my day yesterday. I think that's the most wisdom I can do. I had a negative day yesterday. I took one win, 3 losses yesterday. I overtraded. Okay? I overtraded. I managed risk, but I mean, I'm down like 700 after yesterday. And there's always lessons to be learned in it. So we're never perfect. But we'll talk about it because I don't really give a shit. On the other hand, you know, we're a profitable trader. We've been kicking ass for a long time. So, I mean, it's always important to look at those losers and see what we were doing wrong. So we'll do that today as well. No camera, bro. It's a distraction. It's a deep fake. What's going on, Wayne C? Did you get that sandwich? Good morning, Brian. In my hero, Blair Stevenson. Top of the morning to you, Mr. Crypto. Yeah, good. Look at 10 years. You guys are too kind, man. Too kind, man. How high can Bitcoin go, bro? Right now we have a couple areas of interest. I would like to see it come. We were talking about it yesterday in the premium of how we're looking for an ABC correction, and we had a very nice sweep. So we'll go over that today as well. Vamp Pilot. Let's talk about cameras and screens. Let's go. Computer can't no, they can't handle the ninja-ness, but good morning to you, bro. Good morning to you. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. We like to start early to say good morning to everybody. That's the thing here. That's the theme. Is everybody deserves a little bit of attention. This is going to be really hard if we ever do grow quite a bit, but we'll still do it. Could you check Bohm, please? Yeah, Book of Memes breaking out a little bit, up 9%. I saw that this morning. Could look for continuation. 67.2. So I got a couple of resistances we need to get above right now. I'm looking for a bounce off VWAP. We're not getting it just yet. We'll see if we do. But we're looking for that. Fibs is the way. What's going on, Wix? Good to see you. Good to see you. Mad love to the Wix. We need to find a possum emoji for them. Bro, I'm super busy, but always doing things. No rest till 1 milli, man. Let's go. And that's pounds. Darren does things in the UK. 1 million pounds. That's a lot of Canadian pesos, man. That's a lot of Welsh Jesse, good morning to you. Good morning to you. Frenchie. Look at all you guys saying hi to each other. That's so good. Otter wallpaper. Let's go. Let's go. That's why Rush says, and they're Canadian. Rush is amazing. Rush is amazing. Good morning, Miller. Good to see you. Clog it up. Let's see the clogs. Let's see the clogs. Let's go. Let's go. Hodl Crypto. Blockchain Basement. Good morning to you guys. I still got to message you guys on Twitter. Let's do that right now. Let's find you. Blockchain Basement. Do you guys have Twitter? You guys got to have. You guys got to have. Yeah, you guys got Twitter. Look at these handsome devils. These guys have been showing up. I'm going to follow you. I'm going to message you. How do I message you? You don't have the message thing here. I'm going to say hello. How do I say hello? I'll say it on your most recent post. Hello from the Otter Slide. Hello from the Otter Slide. I won't sing anymore, okay? Is it me you're looking for? I messaged you. You can't miss that message, okay? Hello from the Otter Slide. We went there. Yeah, we went there. It's early. That was the dad joke of the morning. Meh. One meh? You guys don't like my you don't like my beautiful hexagon? Hex is a scam. Let's go. Oh, we're coming down to VWAP. Can we get the bounce out of here? Let's go. Let's go. Jake, good morning to you, even though you got retracted messages. Maybe you're saying something not nice. Well, Jesse, did I get everybody? Make sure the lurkers say good morning as well. Blockchain Basement. STL Coin, Legend, Hamster Dance. Let's do the Hamster Dance. Good morning, Crunk. Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. Maureen, good morning. Good morning, good to see you. Maybe a Band-Aid, what's going on? It's the Netherlands, not Germany. I don't know why I started speaking like that. What's going on? Good morning. I saw some more names. Yamaha, good morning. You guys in a trade? No, I'm looking for the trade. It hasn't come down right now. I'm looking to get long. I don't know. We'll see. Crypto Michael, good morning. Victim McManus, Melodoo, good day. Good day. Melodine. Massey, good morning. Gang, good to see you, Massey. Father Time. C90. Ty Fox, good morning to you. Is this a possum? I don't know. Is that a possum? I think that looks like a badger. That looks like a badger to me. Big boy crypto. How's unemployment this morning? I mean, I'm at work. I'm here. Unemployment rates on. Are you looking at France unemployment benefit claims or durable goods? We're looking at durable goods this morning, 8:30. Durable goods. A little push up here, looking for VWAP, that $200 level. We'll see if it does bounce. Okay, we got durable goods this morning in the U.S. coming in positive. So it came up, which is good, I think. I think it's not a big economic thing if we're looking at it here. We got durable goods. That's Friday. Okay, so that hasn't come in yet. Sorry. But today we got manufacturing. Okay, some things going on this morning. Not much initial jobless claims. That will be interesting. 227. So we're coming in a little bit under forecast. Seems all right. I'm not gonna shake a stick at it. Unbitcoinable. Hi, Alex Honeycombo. Can you look at WLD daily? Is there a Jesus take the wheel pattern? We can take a look at that. Retro Mike Tech in the chat. What's going on in Duranga? What's going on? Maybe we should have got long there. Oh, Junior, the angelic voice. Oh my God, you guys are too kind, man. Too kind, too kind, too kind. All right. Cooked data. Yeah, it's all fried, right? It's all fried. It's all fried. So I had a couple requests there. Remind me in the chat what requests there. WLD on the daily. Let's look at WLD. Maybe looking at an Ethereum trade. Solana doesn't want to stop. Okay. On the daily. Jesus takes the wheel. Okay, so we got, yeah, so what you're waiting for on the Jesus take the wheel here is you're waiting for the trigger wave, right? You're waiting for this wave down in here. You haven't gotten that yet. Okay, you have a nice uptrend here, almost parabolic. Okay, so what you would be looking for is this, and then some bottoming structure within here. But you're getting there. You're getting there. You might not get it. You might turn up already, right? So you got the Jesus, right? But you got to take the wheel. The wheel's got to be a trigger wave down in here. Okay, you haven't gotten there yet. No trigger wave yet. And this is posturing to the upside, and you're starting to curve on money flow. So this could not trigger. You could be looking for this to round out, and you could be looking for the VWAP crossover to the upside. That's what I would look for. I wouldn't necessarily wait for this to come down below. That would be quite a big dump on the daily. So on WLD, I'd just be waiting for the turn up, VWAP crossover to the upside, and money flattening out. That's what I would be looking for on WLD on Market Cypher. Okay, and there was another request. What other request was there? There was a... Oh, man. You're going to make me look? You're going to ruin everybody's time in here? Don't make me look. I'm trying to deliver. I know it was early, too. It was early in the chat. You can remind me. If you're still here, you'll remind me. I believe in you. Okay? Like button smashed. Otters greeted. Gonna be a good day. Let's go, Wick's wife. Awesome. Thank you so much for being here. We need to find a possum. No problem on Bitcoin. I like it. I like the name too. The name's good. So Bitcoin, yeah, big push up. Let's review the day yesterday. So in the Discord, we gave a long trade setup here. We took the long all the way up here. Boop. Where was it? In the morning. Got back from... Yep, so we took the long from 10. Yeah, so we took this long yesterday. Was this yesterday? No, this was yesterday. Sorry. We took the long here yesterday. Okay. This was, I think it was a bit of revenge trading yesterday. So if we're going to really break it down, it was a bit of disappointment in myself. Okay. So if we look at this yesterday, I took a long here. Okay. And it was a small win, got stopped out, gave the signal in advance into the Discord. Okay, so if you are new here, we did set that up, but we had a little scalp win here if we go over to my trading. And we can see that, you know, entering the trade here. Here it was. Okay, now we came up to the key level of resistance, and I should have gone short. Okay, this is where the day started to fall apart, okay? Is that we double topped into key resistance that I had marked out on the chart from the morning, okay? There's nothing more frustrating, look at this, more frustrating than to have a trade set up and planned out, and then for it to go exactly the way you wanted it to only be in a long going into this, because I had my doctor's appointment in the morning. I came in, I saw the trade setup, I got long, I took profit one, it came back, stopped me out for a small loss. In the meantime, I should have been looking for the short. And of course, hindsight is always 20/20, right? But I should have been looking for the short here because I had it marked out. I was ready to trade it. It was just circumstantial, right? Bullish divergence in the morning, taking that up to here. Okay, should have been looking for the short, down, back, at least into here, okay? Okay, then I revenge traded one. Somewhere in here, I got long, okay? And then somewhere in here, I got short. And that was my, yeah, so I took three trades yesterday, knocked out 300, knocked out 400, right? And it was all revenge trading, in my opinion. It wasn't clear setups. For me, I was looking for. I should have been looking for a continuation down into this key area, and I took the continuation down here, thinking that this wasn't the bounce. Okay, I was wrong, and that's okay, right? I should have been like, oh, break of momentum. If I was in the right mindset, I would have been okay, but I wasn't. So I took a couple L's yesterday, and that's part of the game. Okay, we had a nice. We were up like a couple $100 here, and then boom, and it's just like, man, what am I doing? So I stopped myself there because it's important to manage risk, but I didn't have the greatest day yesterday, and that's okay. That's why when we're the hardest thing is like having rules, setting up the trade, having a plan, executing that plan, and adjusting along the way is sometimes hard. Like I'm trading yesterday, right? My cutoff is typically around 1 o'clock. I shouldn't have been trading this. Okay, I've broken a rule there. This here, looking for continuation or a bounce up because I still wanted to be understanding. I wanted to be in this short, and I was pissed off that I didn't get into that short. Okay, so for me, it was just like, man, how did I miss this? It was obvious, blah, 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 blah. You know how the head goes, right? And it's just like that negative self-talk goes on and on and on. And really, it was just about like, I shouldn't have been trading after that one trade. Wednesdays, I typically don't trade, right? So it's just very, very obvious to myself that, you know, it's a reflection point, right? This is where I learned the most about myself, right? Trading is not easy. But understanding, you know, I gave the Discord a correct call yesterday. That's a check mark, right? Big check mark. However, I gave the Discord this short. If we look at it over here, I gave the setups in the morning for this area. If we want to go over the areas, we can. But look, the big old red box, we came back up into the red box here, and then we dumped, right? And this was early in the morning. I gave you guys a setup video of what I was looking for the day, all that stuff. And I didn't take the right trade, right? I took the long, which was good, but I should have flipped short, right? I should have flipped short up here, and I didn't. So therefore, I'm caught in the mindset, in reflection, I'm caught in the mindset of I'm missing a 2.5% move, right? I'm missing a 2.5% move. This is like a beautiful like $3,000 day for me. It's a nice effing day, right? It's a nice day for me, and I missed it. So it's like right, and then I'm making really childish, irresponsible mistakes, and that's old mentality for me. So in reflection, it's good to look at yourself and be like honest self-appraisal, right? Oh man, we just missed this trade too. Honest self-appraisal, reflecting on self and being like, okay, what did I do wrong here? What did I do right? How can I be better, right? And sharing that with you guys is important for me because it's called accountability, right? Accountability in this game is why we do it, right? That's why we have a community. That's why we have people we can lean on, people we can talk on. I mean, I bitched at Kyle about it for like half an hour last night. I was like, man, this bullshit. Bitcoin's a Ponzi. You know, you have your little sulk, and then you get back on the damn horse, right? You get back down, and then you crush it again, and you take the right setups, okay? So it's just me wanting to be transparent with you guys and just say like, hey man, I'm not coming on here and saying like I am the greatest trader of all time. I am a profitable trader. I am a good trader, but it's just like there are days where you do break your rules. You do you're off a little bit. You're not in the right mindset. You're revenge trading. It happens to the best of us, right? So it's very important to at least I didn't keep trading, right? There's some wins there. At least I didn't continue to you know degen in and yada yada yada, right? So wow, Bitcoin's pushing, baby. So it's important to reflect, and it's important to document. Get your damn trading journal out, okay? You should be using one of these every single day and write down your damn trades and what you did right, what you did wrong, and how you can be better. Write it down. If you're serious about this and this is your business right here, and this is where you make money, and this is what you want to be your career, that's what you got to do, right? Because we're competing against people like David Brumbelow. We're competing against people like Retro Mike Tech. You know, these guys are going to take our lunch money. Lunar Beach's crypto. He's going to take your lunch money, right? So for me, you got to be on your game. You got to be sharp, right? And if you're not, you're going you're going to pay the piper, or you know what I mean? So just wanted to go through that. And in reflection, it all started with the double top. It started with the double top, understanding that I was mad because I didn't get short here. And then it was like, okay, I was thinking bullish divergence, push up here, wrong, momentum to the downside, money coming out, like very obvious, right? What I am waiting for is I'm waiting for the liquidity sweep and the bounce up. We even talked about this yesterday in our Discord live, where we're looking for a clear liquidity sweep and a bounce, right? We eventually got it. That was our long, right? And we should have taken that up. Instead, I tried to short here, right? Thinking continuation, because I'm still stuck on this one here. So, I mean, it's a very important thing to do, is to reflect and say, hey, man, what could I have done differently? Where was I wrong? And how did that start, right? How did that start? Because, we have very, very little decisions to be made. We have up and down and over time. That's it, right? Price moves over time, up and down. So we press buy or sell, right? We want to be cheap. We want to manage our risk. And I did manage my risk. I let this one bleed a little bit too much. Okay. So I did, cheat a little bit with this one. And then I lost a little bit more than I should have. Right. And then it's just like, oh man, cut your losses, bro. Cut your losses. And it's a good thing. In hindsight, when you cut your losses, right? Like I wasn't moving my stop loss, but I gave myself a big juicy stop loss for a continuation here, right? When you cut your losses, this is an amazing feeling, okay? An amazing feeling. When you cut your losses here and then it rips to the upside, how good does that feel? How good does it feel to be a good loser? That's one thing I did really well yesterday, is I cut my losses here. So I didn't think, oh, I'm right. It's going to go down. It's going to go down, right? I cut my losses here and then boom, it took off. I'm like, whew, thank God, right? Thank God. So very, very responsible in making sure that, at least I did use my stop loss and I did follow my risk to reward, even though I let it bleed a little bit, not much, right? So it always feels good to take a loss and then watch it continue, right? So that's another win. So in reflection, you have all these ideas, but it's very important to make sure that you are reflecting and seeing how you can be better, okay? And that's what I wanted to share with you guys this morning, just to kind of dust myself off, right? And let's get back and let's make some bloody money today, because we're not going to revenge trade. It's not I'm down, $700. I'm actually up this week. So it's like, it's okay. It's okay, right? It's just I'm not up as much as I would like to be, right? So you lost. Got demolished yesterday. It happens to us all. Yeah, I mean, that's it. It's part of it, right? It's part of it. But you gotta, you gotta pay your dues. You gotta know what's going on. And you gotta be transparent with all you guys. That's it. Perry, good morning to you. Rowley, good morning. Good morning to all the latecomers. Your late pass is accepted, like Gareth Soloway. Good morning to all you. Love your honesty. Yeah. No, it's always important to be transparent, right? It's always important. Okay, so let's go over Bitcoin. We're in a nice uptrend. We were looking for the long here on the VWAP. We're still looking for it, but it's not looking too good. I'm looking for liquidity grab now. So I'm looking for a sweep of this low high here, a little push up, a reversal, and coming back down to possibly the golden pocket. So there's a couple of ideas this morning. We'll see how price reacts, but definitely looking for a potential short up here. Back into the golden pocket down here. We'll see if we get it. Volatility, it's welcomed, right? It's looking good. We'll continue to try to take advantage of price action here, making a plan, executing the plan, managing risk, okay? That's what it's all about. We do have a key level of resistance up here too that we can be looking for a short. This looks a little bit overextended this morning, so we'll see how price reacts. The S&P had a perfect retest back down to the highs here. We were talking about this yesterday, how you get the blah, 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 and you retest previous highs and then continuation out, okay? You got a nice bounce off of retesting previous highs on the S&P, looking to continue its march onwards and upwards. NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ falling quite aggressively. Coming back and reclaiming this 20,300 area is very bullish in my opinion. So it came back and it held this area here with a big V-shaped recovery. Good sign. The Russell is retesting an upwards trend line. So the Russell could get rejected from here. I would love to see it reclaim. Reclaim would be great, but we'll see how it reacts today. Okay, that's going to be very interesting to watch Russell. And then the Dixie doesn't want to stop going up. The Dixie is on this parabolic uptrend, people holding dollars, a little bit of puckering and scaredness in the market. So if anything, and we're cautious about this, considering people are, I mean, this is a long way to fall for the dollar, which is a good sign. If the dollar falls, we go up, right? So we'll watch that. Look at Bitcoin coming up here, coming up to key resistance, looking for a potential short up at 67.6. That's where we're going to be looking for a short, 67.650-ish. Just to come back down, at least into VWAP. Okay, little scalpy here. Yeah, 0.5%. We'll see if we get it. Looking like it's pretty aggressive push up though here on Bitcoin. I would like to see it come back down and then continue. Okay, this came up quite aggressively yesterday. I would like to see some of this liquidity grabbed. We never really came back down into this area in here, so quite possible that we do. I'm just not convinced yet. We'll wait and see. Okay, but we're pushing up here, looking for a potential short. Market opens in half an hour, okay? This to me is getting a little bit overextended, coming up to a key level of resistance right now. And we'll see if it does continue to push. I'm going to look to get a little bit short here if it does want to give it to me. I don't know. Is it going to give it to me? Is it going to give it to me? Come on, Bitcoin. Hit it. Hit it and quit it. No? You don't want to give it to me? Give it to me, baby. It's pushing. It's pushing. Are we in? That's what she said. Not yet. Not yet. Looking for the short. Can it come down? $67,650. Can it hit it? $650. $650. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. $650. You're not gonna give it to me? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come. We're at least targeting down to this low here. At least. Be cheap, cheap, cheap. Cheap like a bird. Continuing to push here, though. This is looking all right. Might not want to go short here. Let's take a stab. I'm in. Taking a stab. Taking a stab. Can we come down? We'll see. We'll see. Let's go, Bitcoin. Dump it, baby. Dump it, baby. We're already trading. This is early in the morning, but the trade setup is there. We were looking for this morning. We'll see if we do get the dump. Dump it. Dump it to the ground. Stop whining. We'll take off. We'll take off. I mean, where are we going to take some profits here? This is the hard thing. If we do come down here, looks like we are pushing down a little bit. Just a little bit. Give a little bit. This is where retail's going long, right? We're at the top of a range. I don't know. You could take breakout, retest, support, and resistance, flip, but this is where I'd be looking short back into at least here. Come on, Bitcoin, dump it, baby. Dump it, baby. VWAP 67,205. Let's front run that. 67. Let's go 67, 280. Yeah, that sounds all right to me. That sounds all right to me. 280, that would be the low here. 280. Come on, Bitcoin, come down. 280. Let's go. Bring it up a little bit. 290. Let's see if it does come back into here. First take profits here. Okay. It's early, man. You don't want to be risking it too much for the biscuit, okay? It's early. It's early. Look at this. Everything's a bit overextended. I'm going to go over top-down analysis, but look at the 15 here. Okay, 15 coming up, rolling over. VWAP rejection, looking like it wants to continue. Uh-oh. 1 hour, a little bit overextended, I think. Yeah, continuing to push. Got some room. Here. 2 hour. Bouncing off the zero line, money crossing over to the upside. Whew. Just these short-term time frames that got me. They got me this morning. I'm like, if we're going to take a little scalp, we can take a little scalp this morning. Nothing too serious. So we'll see if we do roll over here, come back down into this area here, and then we look to possibly fire off along, okay? We'll see if we do drop right now. Right now, whew, pushing back. It's pushing back. Alex, why are you going short? It's too early. Too early to go short. Early bird gets the worm. We'll see. We'll see. Man, oh man. Too much people short. This will fly. Okay. I hope it flies for your sake if you are long. I put bullets on your pizza and shove it through your head. Arnold's Pizza Shop prank. Oh man, that was classic. That's classic. I eat 9mm bullets. You're shorting a break of previous day high with a green vector. Not sure what I understand your logic, but I don't understand what your setup is. We got vector candles. Vector candles. Previous day high, yeah. Shorting into look at this. So we got like massive level of resistance. That's what I've been looking at this morning. We have a golden pocket above us here. Not that interested. And this coming in here, this to me looks like it wants to be taken. Okay? Doesn't mean we're going to get there. Just an idea. Okay? Shorting into this vector candle. Could come back. Right? We'll see. We'll see. Tight stop loss here. Maybe we're coming for the high here. This could be a possibility here. Maybe we should have put it a little bit higher here. That's all right. Little push. Oh, it wants to continue, does it? It wants to continue, does it? Let's see. Let's see. What do you guys think? Don't short a green vector when it's not a stopping volume candle. I'm not a TR main Pitter's reality kind of guy. I don't use it that much. We are short our pod. We are short. Yes, Arnold, thank you. Let's go. 12 green dot 0 market cipher B. The 12-hour does look good. I will agree with you there. The 12-hour looks juicy. Look at the 12-hour. Woo wee! Wanting to upchuck all the way to the moon here. Okay? Wanting to upchuck. We'll see. I think this is overextended. That's just my opinion. Doesn't mean we're going to go all the way to 0. Okay? Just little scalpy. See if we get it. Okay? We'll see if we get it. It looks like it is a little bit reloading here for a potential push up, though. You know what I mean by reloading, right? It's like push, and then it reloads, and then it pushes again. Okay? You got a little bit of that here. We'll see if it can continue down. we haven't even done top-down analysis with you guys. I've done it this morning, right? So I have my bias. Do you guys have a bias? Mm-hmm. It's going to push, isn't it? It's going to push. It wants to push. Nah. Ooh-wee. Nah, it's coming down. It's coming down. Don't mess with my analysis, guys. You guys got me in my head now. You got bear divs here. You guys messing me up now. Don't be messing with me. Don't be messing with me. This is coming down, baby. This is coming down. Coming down. 350. Hit 350. I'll even bring my first take profit down to 350. You guys are making me lose money. Oh, man. Tamale, your mom was overextended last night. Oh, that's so good. Oh man, you must Are we gonna go mom jokes today instead of dad jokes? Your mom's like a boomerang. Shout out to all the mamas out there. Oh man. A little scalpy poo never hurt. Exactly. Right? 12 hours telling you pumpy. Yes, it is. It is. The 12-hour is telling you pumpy, but it's a 12-hour candle. Remember that. Right? It's a 12-hour candle. Okay? 12 hours. It printed. You got 10 hours and 55 minutes for this thing to do its thing. You got 3 white soldiers on the way up here. Let's take off TR main. On the way up here, okay? Which is continuation, okay? This is strength out, right? Bearish strength out, continuation. Doesn't mean it's going to play right away, okay? Money is still coming out until it flattens and rolls up, okay? You know, view up crossover. This could be resetting you for downwards action, okay? Why are we going to just trade off of a 12-hour that's going to take 12 hours to play out, right? It's favorable to the upside, I would say, by tomorrow. Easily, right? Confirmed. It isn't even confirmed green dot yet. But if it confirms, cool. If it doesn't, okay. We go from there. Intentions right now, little scalp. We haven't even had market open here. Okay. So for me, coming down to like 360 right now, little retest of this trend line, possible. Okay. Taking some money, put it in the bank. Sometimes little wins. A little win can get your confidence back. Remember, we had a little bit of a bad day yesterday. So a little win, a little bit of confidence back, you know, being on the right side of the trade. Okay. It's not always easy. It's not meant to be. Okay. But we're in it to win it. We'll see if it does come down. We're looking for 380. Let's go 380. Come to 380. Come to 380, baby. Come on. Now, it doesn't mean we can't get another sweep like this. Okay? If you want to be safer, you take the breakdown trade, right? You take this trade here. With the loss of this low in here. That's how I would take it if you're trying to take the breakdown trade. I'm trying to catch knives today, okay? Oh man, you guys have convinced me to take it off, okay? You want me to take it off? I'll take it off. Put a 1 in the chat if you want me to close this short. We got to be quick here. Put a 2 in the chat to leave it open. 1 and 2s. 2 to leave it open. 1 to close it. I want to know. I want to know. Wrecked City says kick drum. I love it. Get rich or get wrecked. You guys want me to close it or keep it? Go long. Go long. 7. More yelling, please. Let's go. Keep it open. People want me to keep it open. Close it, close it, close it, close it. Keep it open. 1, 2, tie your shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. Oh, man. Come on. You need to tell me. It will go down, says Dim. I think it'll go down. I'm in the down camp. We got 170 people in here. We're in the short. Are we crazy? Or are we just here to talk shit? I love when you guys talk shit. I love when the best is there was I think it was 2 weeks ago. There was a guy who said, "You're wrong. Go short or you will get liquidated." He said that in the stream, and we took the opposite trade, and it ripped on the live stream, and we all made so much money. And this guy was like talking shit the whole time. It was so good, man. He was like, "It's gonna go." He's like, "It's gonna go up," and we're like, "Nah, man, we're shorting this," and we shorted it to the ground, man. And we're all laughing. It's the best, man. It's the best. You're a big boy. You know best. Oh, man. We're coming to 380, okay? We're coming to 380. We're taking a little risk, okay, this morning. We're coming to 380. We don't come to 380, you guys. We're going to have to do a giveaway next week, okay? 380. Right here. Do you want to get degenerate with it? We can jump into the 1 minute time frame. We got a whole bunch of people in here. Thank you for being here. 167 people in here. My God, you guys are great. Welcome. We're trying to get to 5,000 subscribers by Christmas, okay? So if you want to give me an early Christmas gift, that would be greatly appreciated. We do have goals. We do come on here and live stream trade with you guys every single day. We let you know when we enter, when we exit. We share our receipts, yada, yada, yada. We have an amazing Discord. We come on here Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Fridays because Wednesday I'm busy. But if you want more access, you got more access. You got TA. We gave the long trade setup yesterday. That banged, made some money. Yada, yada, yada. Very good. Okay. We have Kyle, who gives trade setups as well. We also have Brewberry, who does live streams and teaching as well. So you get access to 3 incredible traders. We also have an amazing free section if you want to just come over and hang out and lurk and hang out. We have a very active Discord. We'd love to have you. That's where the alpha is, really. Is over in the Discord. We'd love to have you guys come and hang out. Join the gang, hang out with the Otter gang. We'd love to have you. So come over and chill. Nothing but good laughs, good fun, and lots of trading. Lots of trading. Are we coming to 380 or are we doing a giveaway? Is that how we're doing it? 380. If we don't hit 380, we got to do a giveaway next week. We're still making a higher low though, man. I don't like this. I really don't like this. We're stuck in the middle with you. 911. Somebody call a ambulance. Okay? Somebody call a ambulance. Flagging out here. If we break this, I'll close it. If we break this, I'll close it. We're coming to 380. We're coming to 380. Minimum 380. Hit it. Hit it, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 165, 167 amazing, beautiful people in here, man. Trying to change their lives, and I respect that. That's pretty cool. I mean, I was a carpenter before this. I used to build houses and huge industrial skyscrapers in Toronto. I mean, swung a hammer for most of my life, and started teaching myself trading like 2.5, 3 years ago. Got in, found, it's always funny. I found a Michael Saylor Elon Musk scam video. That's how I found out about crypto. What a perfect way to pop your cherry. Is Michael Saylor, Elon Musk, Jack. I don't know if you guys remember Jack Dorsey scam videos they used to have on YouTube. I found one of those. I was like, what's this Bitcoin shit, man? I want to trade it. And then I never looked back. So I would work my 9 to 5. Oh, we're going up now. Didn't want to give up that low. Didn't want to give up that low. Didn't want to give up the low. Stop loss at 750. Woo-wee. Okay. That was strength. Strength here. Woo-wee. Coming back. Grabbing liquidity. We're still alive. Everybody's right. I was wrong. We should have closed the trade, right? Look at the strength this morning. That's all right. That's all right. Is that the final sweep? This is a nice bearish divergence. I'll tell you that much. We're still in it. We're still in it. You said long, now short. Liquid Diddy? You guys kill me, man. It's ripping. What are we going to do? We got stop loss. It's okay. We didn't get hit yet. Maybe that was the top. It's all about that 12 hour. That 12 hour is pushing this candle up. It's all about that 12 hour. I'm telling you. You were in profits. Take your dollars and buy some coffee. I know, right? I know, right? Oh, man. People are buying the top right now. I guarantee you people are buying this thing up right now. We have swept this high now. That's a good sign. Do, 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 do. Hold the door, man. 750, hold the door. Still nothing. Oh, man, if it dumps right now, I'll laugh so hard. I mean, I've already settled with myself about the loss. Myro kind of pumping? Okay. Myro kind of pumping. This is fucking funny. This is funny, man. Look, this is the trade setup, right? Here it is, right? This is the entry. There's the stop loss, right? Stop loss, the 380 take profit right here, okay? Look at that. If this dumps from here, we gotta laugh, right? We gotta laugh. 183 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here, man. I never thought I'd be streaming to 183 people, let alone have an amazing Discord full of like-minded utterly fantastic people. Incredible. The power of the YouTube U-boob. What's going on? Dave Digital's in the chat. Good morning to you, man. Good morning to you. Check CBD or open interest, whatever Jason Casper looks at. Yeah, we could do that. I mean, if that's your niche. I love how Americans say niche. How do you guys say niche? Niche. Do you guys say niche or niche? Here, we can do the Jason Casper here. We got CVD, open interest. We're well aware of this. I mean, open interest is coming up while price is getting rejected at the top. We have the curvature and OE coming in. OI, what a bing bang, whoopee, whoop-pa-pa. Okay, we don't have divergences in price or the action here. We have continuation up, no divergences here. Okay, no divergences here. CVD is actually coming down while price is coming up. Okay, we have a little bit of a divergence here. If we're looking longer term, it's not something I use, guys. I'm aware of it. I've looked at it. It's not something I trade based on. Okay, it gives you confluence, but I don't use it. Okay, I say niche. It's niche. It's like a shower niche. Do you call it a shower niche? A shower niche. Is that how you guys roll? Shower niche? Shower niche. I'm shorting with you. If the stop loss, then that's a gift from the internet gods. Let's go, chills or thrills. Let's go, bro. I mean, we're still in it. We're still in it. It wants to get us. It's hunting us. It knows it's because let's face it. Some people are like, they think their trade is so important that the market maker's trying to hunt them out. I love those people. They're like, man, it knows where my stop loss is. It knows where it is. It knows. Oh, man. I owe you for checking that. You're a real one. Thank you, Tamale, for being here, man. I appreciate your participation in the chat, man. It's always fun to hang out. It's always fun to hang out. Traders helping traders, man. There's no negative. I like people disagreeing with me. Like it's the best because then we get to have a discussion, right? An open discussion about what we think can happen. And there's always something to learn from everyone, right? I think having a good attitude in trading is going to get you a long way. I say niche. What does CVD actually show? Cumulative volume delta. So it's, if you want a good CVD video, I would check out Cones Trading, friend of the channel. Don't go watch it now, but I will share it. Cones Trading. He's an Elliott wave theorist, okay? Like ancient astronaut theory. Okay, this is my guy. If you want to learn about CVD, his most popular is CVD here. Okay, this is the one. I've watched it. Copy link. Okay, very good video. Okay, very good video. He's a very smart man. I respect him a lot. He's a very kind person too. If you're not following Cones, go and follow Cones. Awesome guy. I'll share that here. This thing wants to knock me out. Let's face it. Let's face it, right? Are we facing it? I might close this. Nah, we got to keep it open. We got to keep it open for the people. We got to trade for entertainment value in the morning, right? Is it coming up to get us or what? Like I said, it could come for this high up here at 67.8. Nah. I don't think it's going to go up, but one last sweep. It keeps doing these sweeps, right? That could knock us out. Sweep, sweep. I would like to see more chop down. No chop down, right? This is looking like it wants to sweep again. Looks like we might get swept here, friends. That's all right. We can readjust. We got 9 minutes till market opens. We could try and get short again. I'd rather take the L and get short again. 180 people in here. Thank you for being here. That's crazy, man. Dave, do you remember when there was like 5 people in here? You, Schaefer, I think Tony Soprano, and my mom and my grandma. I think that was it. That was good fun. Quite the chat. Move stop loss to 67,850. Are we going to move stop loss? 1 or 2? 850? Are we going 850? Move stop loss. 850? 850. That's a bad risk to reward. We're going to move it to 850 just for you. Okay, I have moved my stop loss. Now, that's a risky ass trade, man. I'm not being cheap today. We're listening to the crowd. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! No, don't move. Everybody's saying no. Yes, for the love of God, to save yourself. You guys, man. You guys are crazy. Okay, so we've moved it to 850. It was at 750. So bang. Oh, this didn't hit yet. It was at 750. This white line here. My friends, this looks like it would have knocked me out. What if it dumps from here? Look at Bookmap or CoinGlass. Move the stop to 74,000. Oh, shit. You guys kill me. You guys kill me. I love it. I love it. It only hit 730 on my exchange. 736. It only hit 736 on my exchange. This is funny, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. How did this turn into like some degenerate live stream today? How did it happen? How did it happen? You guys, I get all confessy with you guys this morning, telling you guys using good risk management and taking an L and all those things. And then yeah. Oh man. If this dumps now, like, I mean, it wouldn't have hit my stop loss so far. It wouldn't have hit my stop loss at 750. It hit 737 so far. $737. Oh man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. If there's anything you guys want me to go over, I would more than happy to do so. We're looking for the Dixie to die. We're looking for the S&P to pump. We're looking for the NASDAQ to recover and hold ground here. I feel like Bitcoin's a little bit overextended this morning. That's why we took the short. Okay. We'll see what happens. Okay. It's been up only since the V-shaped recovery yesterday. So, however, the interesting thing is we still haven't hit the 750. Here it comes. Here it comes. 745. It says 756 here. 745 on mine. Look at this. Still hasn't hit. Still hasn't hit. If it doesn't hit 750 right now, it's a fucking laughing stock. This is jokes. Hit it. Hit it so we can say we were wrong. Look at this. This is the exchange. Oops. Hasn't hit it. 750's up here on my exchange. See? Oh, 744. 743. It still hasn't hit it. Oh, man. The anticipation. This thing wants to rip, doesn't it? Look at this thing. It's got to have that last sweep and then the... See, in something like this, like we talk about this quite frequently, we want to see that sweep like that bearish divergence, right? So we want to see the sweep and then the lower low, and then we get the lower high. That's typically the way you would trade this. So this is not how I would typically trade this. What I'm looking for is this thing to come up the way it is, sweep with some volume, come back down, break structure, and then you look for the lower high. Okay, that's how you trade this. Not like this. Not like this. Okay? This is a joke. This is literally a joke. This is a joke this morning. I swear to God, to you guys, this is a joke. Look at this here, my friends. 750 print screen. Okay? Look at these candles. Look at this, okay? 750 print screen. I'm print screening it. Look. Look at the line here. Look at the line here. 750. 750 wasn't hit. Look. It wasn't hit. It wasn't hit. This is a joke. This is hilarious. This is fucking hilarious. Big rejection from here. Come on. Big dirty red candle all the way down to 380. And then we can say, I told you so. Oh, man. Oh, man. Big dirty red candle incoming. That is a joke. How the hell? 2 hours says 68 to 69K. Look at the daily, bro. Okay. Okay. I see small cell walls. Say that. Say small cell walls 5 times fast. Small cell walls, small cell walls, small cell walls, small cell walls. Zero's incoming. Zero is incoming. Zero is incoming. Look at this dump on everybody's head this morning. 380. We're going to hit 380, baby. Let's go. 380 incoming. We still got to take profit at 380. My God. We came to break even. It's trying to hold the higher low here. Trying to hold the higher low. Market is open. S&P gapping up. Okay, S&P gapping up. Tends to want to fill and then bounce. Okay, fill then bounce. We're looking for that on the S&P. NASDAQ, pretty flat. Okay, Russell, looking to get above this trend line. Dixie, let's see if it finds support here. But it is rolling over. Okay, aggressive move up here for Bitcoin, but the S&P is coming down. Okay, looking for the gap fill and then a bounce. We'll see if we get it. Okay, Ethereum, looking for an ETH trade. We'll see, back up to $2,800. This is a key level of support at 2,500. So we'll see. That's something on my mind here for anybody who's interested in a little swing trade. Looking at ETH coming down to 2,500. Okay. Bitcoin, 12-hour looks bullish. 1 hour's got room to the upside. VWAP's a little overextended on the 1 hour. Okay, we are in the short. Looking for this to come down to 67,380. We'll see if we do get the dump. We're still in it. We're still in it. I will move my stop loss back to 750, I believe. I believe that's a good idea. Oh, man. It didn't hit, though. It didn't hit. Okay. I swear on my mother's life, it did not hit 750 on my exchange. Okay. Look at this thing. Breaking structure to the downside. So if you are looking for a potential short, this is it, right? So you break structure here. You look for the retest continuation down. Okay. If you break this low here, we still trying to fight. There's the break. There's the break coming down. Okay. Another significant low in here. Another significant low in here. 380? Come on. Come down to 380, baby. We're in profit now. Like how the tone changes, eh? I feel like we're choppy. Are we choppy? This is a joke. We are choppy. This looks yeah. That's upsetting, man. This camera thing needs to lay off me, man. Every single day, a new issue. A new issue with the stream. I think I'm gonna go over to OBS. What do you guys think? I'm on Streamlabs. I think I'll go over to OBS. Is the voice still choppy or is it just the camera? I can get rid of the camera. I can get rid of the camera. Is the voice okay still? I mean, it's my voice. It's not the greatest voice. I don't have a blockchain backer voice. I apologize for that. Maybe I'll work on my, I don't know. I guess they didn't drop. Try not to be rude here. They didn't drop as far as his when I was younger. Blockchain backer. Mine's completely fine. Okay. It looks so choppy on my end. Well, got a little bit of toppiness here. We got bearish divergence coming through. 5 minute, pushing back here. Now we're in the negative. Maybe that was just a sweep to continue upwards. Quite possible. Market is open now. A little bit of dump before the pump. We'll have to see. Okay. Nice push back here. Bitcoin looking to continue. Yeah, this is looking bullish now. That was a nice sweep. Should have got out of the trade there. Hindsight 50-50, right? This is just liquidity, though. Pure liquidity creation here. No real run up, just running up. No real retest down in here. That's all right. We'll see if we do get knocked out here. Stop loss is back to 750. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me. You could be anywhere, but you're hanging out with me. We got 185 people here, 96 likes. If we wouldn't mind, smashing that like button. Let's try and get to 100. It's been a funny stream today, I swear. Coming up here, most likely going to get knocked out. That's okay. Here it comes. Yeah, it's going to knock me out. Should have taken the profit down here. That's okay. I'm on the edge. We never really even got into top-down analysis today. That's kind of funny. Don't you dare do that. Stop me out. Thank you. Okay, I'm knocked out of that trade. 750, stop loss, yada, yada, yada. Looking for the golden pocket now. Oh, it's nice to just be out of that damn trade. To be honest, we're out of the damn trade. Top-down analysis. Let's go through it. Bitcoin knocking me out here this morning. That's fine. What are we looking for? Okay, so he's probably going to dump now, which is fine. Should have kept it at 850. You guys are going to all tell me 850, yada, yada, yada. Just a little loss this morning. Not bad. $150, $150. There it is. Okay. Woo-wee. I slid it down. Close price 750. Okay. Out we go. Always transparent, always sharing it. Okay. So Top down, daily, coming down, VWAP, resetting, money trying to flatten out. Okay, looking okay, trying to push back here. Stochastic still remains very overextended, which is a good sign. The 3-day is going to be rolling over or resetting. So money coming in, which is a good sign, but resetting a lot on the other oscillators. Something to keep on your radar. Okay, going over the 12-hour, everybody, yes, it looks bullish. However, it does look like it's going to play into the weekend, right? The crossover, the confirmation of the green dot down below. Will it happen? We'll have to wait and see, right? For me right now, getting a little overextended. You know, the next candle would be overextended into VWAP. So for me, we want to see flattening and curving upwards with our money flow, and that would give me more confidence in this trigger wave here down below. So that's looking good. Nice posturing here on stochastics. Going into the 4-hour for me has pushed up to the 0 line. This is where it really gets rejected. Okay, so if we are to get a rejection here, we would see something like this today, where VWAP's overextended, starts posturing to the downside, and we get a rejection from there. Okay, look at this thing. It's gonna dump now. What's the bet? This is market maker for you. He's like, I got that 750. Now we're gonna go to 0. What's the bet? 380 is gonna get hit today, easy, right here. Okay. So 4-hour overextended that's all I can really see, is that, you know, oscillating all the way up on this uptrend here. Anchor, we're waiting for a trigger wave. That's what we would want to see, is something like that on our 4-hour to suggest continuation. We can see flattening here on the money flow, but overextension in the VWAP. So this would reset, right? We get the trigger wave here and we get the continuation. Okay, something to be very aware of. Okay, going over the 3-hour. The 3-hour, okay, now looking at price action a little bit more, is that we have bullish engulfed here. So this is a very nice 3-hour candle pushing up quite nicely. Now, will this come up and sweep the highs in here? We are looking for a retracement, and you guys know the key levels because I shared them with you this morning, but we do have a golden pocket coming in right in here. So if we do get up into there, we can be potentially looking for a short as price comes up into the zone. Okay, looking here for the rejection at 68,000. Okay, we also have some key levels coming our way as well that are holding as support. So if we hold here 67,500, let's say, it's looking good. It's looking good. However, the key level is being 67,000 right here, and that's holding up quite nicely. As you can see, it flipped. It's continued to push. So that's a nice support and resistance flip, getting back above 67,000. That's a very psychological number. As you can see, we have held it as support multiple times within this rally. So to dip down and to come back is quite nice. However, we were talking about this in our community where we were like, okay, well, ABC, after a giant move up like this, an ABC correction would be ideal. Okay, do we get the correction? Would this be where we get the rejection from? We'll have to wait and see, okay? But I would look for this to be corrective, and then we look to get long in here if we are going to continue upwards. We'll have to wait and see. Holding 67,000, like I said before, very big deal for Bitcoin, okay? Very big deal. So right now we got a little bit of a sweep, bullish divergence pushing us out, coming into our golden pocket. We'll see how price reacts there, okay? Going into our 2-hour. So this is where I was thinking we could possibly get a rejection, okay? Because if we were to get a rejection, it'd be a trigger wave back down after in a downtrend, okay? So that would have been the idea this morning. However, we are stopped out, and it does seem like it wants to continue upwards. So at least we managed risk, okay? And that's very good. For all you people saying get long, you're right. You're right. I mean, that's great. I hope you guys took the long as well. Okay, I was looking for this liquidity to be grabbed before continuing out, and it looks like it doesn't really care what I wanted, which is fine. Inverse head and shoulders here. If anyone wants to talk about that, you can. Looking for this thing to break out back up to 70,000. Okay, quite cool. Quite cool what we can see, right? So continuation, 1 hour, double top coming in, money coming back in. Nice move here. So right now we wait. Okay, we wait for this retracement. VWAP is sitting just below us here. That's another reason why we were looking for a potential short to come back into VWAP as well this morning. We didn't do it. Okay, we got a little bit of a VWAP action this morning. If we're looking here on our 3-minute, we did get a little breakout retest here on our VWAP and then continuation out. Okay, as we can see, and that was at 7:30 this morning. So now it looks like we are continuing, pushing up into our rejection zone. Is this going to be a short opportunity? We'll have to wait and find out. Okay, so we're going to be more diligent with our short positions today. This is looking like up only is in the cards. So being very cautious right now. Want to be using good risk management, all those good things as we go forward. 30-minute pushing up. Okay, nice little push up here. Did S&P come down? Yeah, it is coming down. So we're looking for the come down and recovery. The NASDAQ looking for, okay, support being held, looking to push up. Russell still hasn't broken the barrier to the upside. So Bitcoin's looking stronger than the rest. Simply the best, better than all the rest. You know that song? That one. Looking to continue here. This is overextended in my opinion though, looking for this to cool off. Okay, whenever you get something so aggressive like this, you're looking for a sweep of the highs coming into an area such as this 60, 67, 68,000. Okay, looking at 68,000 for potential short, and we'll see if we do get it. Okay, that was long-winded. Good to be here. Good to be here with you guys. Thank you, everybody. We got 207 people in here looking for the short here at the Golden Pocket. We'll see if we do get it. Okay, we'll see if we do get it. 67, 980, 980-ish. Okay, coming up in here. We'll see if we get it. Short it back down into the ground, right? That's what we want to do. We've taken an L this morning. That's okay. That's okay, but to me, this is looking like a short area, okay? We'll see if we get it. That could have been it right there, and I'll be upset if we didn't. There's always more opportunity, though, okay? Let's see. Let's see how precise we can be with this. $67,925. Let's use our magnet tool. Okay, 67,906. We may have hit it. We may have hit it and quit it. Yeah, we did. We hit our 618. Okay. Are we coming down from here? We'll see. We'll see. That might have been the short, though. Aggressive move up. Remember, we said we want to see break of structure. So the low's in here. So that would mean all the way down and then go, which I don't think is going to happen. Okay, so patience right now. And we'll see if it goes. No low time frame confirmation, just high confluence areas. 68.1 is the liquidity. Let's go. I'm going to wait for bear div first. Yes, I like that. I like that, Dave. Still in $4 to stop loss. Uh-oh. There's another reset. Okay, get rid of this box here. Sorry. This is another reset for another push up. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Very choppy this morning, friends. So, I mean, getting long, I guess, off of this kind of break here would have been ideal. You can see we had this drawn out. So this trend line here, break, retest, continuation, right? That would have been the long here around 8:30. We didn't take it. This is fighting at the golden pocket up here. We'll see if that holds strong. Okay, waiting for confirmation on this trade. No trade as of yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 110 likes. That's incredible. So much alpha in this chat. So many good people. Thank you for being here. 12-minute looking juicy. Juicy, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 12-minute. I like the 12-minute. 12-minute, yeah. Overextended coming out. I'd like to see this short play. Got a little bit early this morning. A little bit early. That's okay. $68,050-ish. Maybe a little bit lower. $67,980. Let's see. Extension up. 888 it says. Okay. 888. No trades so far. We're just waiting here. Trading is waiting. Alex La Cafe. Where is that fib from? So that's high to low. That's high to low in this range here. Okay, high to low. Sweeping the highs here. There is an order block in here. Retesting the high or the lows of the range too. Yeah. This has changed. Liquidity hasn't. We'll see if we get the push today. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Come over and hang out in the Discord. Subscribe if you are new. We have an amazing Discord where we have signals, group chats, group lives. $1 a day keeps the doctor away kind of deal. So we'd love to have you over here. Join us in the free Discord. Mad love to every single one of you guys for being here and supporting the channel. I think getting into that short was a silly idea this morning. I think we need to be better than that. And I apologize if you did take that short with me. It's not my job to trade for you. This is never financial advice. It's just simply here to kind of learn, to see what I'm looking at, and hopefully you get something out of it. If you don't, thank you for coming. If you do, thank you for coming. And that's the one, man. I mean, we're traders helping traders. We're in the charts every single day trying to help you guys create financial freedom. Okay, and that's what it's all about. We could come 786 here. That's my one concern. 786 looks like it would make more sense. Let's go 786. High to low again. 786 will mean we would tap this order block here. We have resistance up here at 68.5. This is kind of in the middle, but we do have the highs in here, right? So if we're going to mitigate the highs up in here, that would be the area, right? That would be the area. Yeah, that makes sense to me. I should probably just press buy. Shouldn't I press long? I should just long this thing because it's just not overextended, right? Going over to the poll. What are you guys looking at on the poll? Stop looking at the poll. We got 221 votes. Market Cipher is king. Of course it is. That's why we're sponsored by Market Cipher. Always giving out the discount codes to you guys in the Discord whenever they come available. Face lets me know. What time frame do you recommend pulling fib on for day trade scalping? So it's not really a time frame thing. It's about pulling from what's relevant to your area, right? So if you're looking at this and we're pulling a fib, right? Where am I going to pull a fib from? I'm going to pull from high to low, right? And low to high. So I'm looking for a retracement back to the golden pocket to this high here. right? Oops, wrong tool. I'm looking for a retracement from this high here down to this low here to find an area in here, which is this area right here for my golden pocket, right? So I'm going to isolate price that way. So I'm going to go from here all the way down to here, and that will give me that level. Okay? Then I'm going to look the opposite way. So where am I looking for long? I'm going to go from swing low to swing high to where we just came high here. So this will be a golden pocket area as well up in here. Golden pocket. Okay? So we're looking for that as well. Okay? Then if you want to get into like the nitty gritty, let's say you're on the 15-minute, you can go from the low here to the high here. Okay, so within this short-term range, you could be targeting to trade maybe the short into the golden pocket. So you're looking for this, right? Continuation out. Okay, so you can pull it there. Okay, and these are very simple ways of doing it. And you typically want to always pull from your impulse move. What do I mean by impulse move? Okay, so this would be an impulse move here. This would be an impulse move here, right? This would be an impulse move here. But sometimes you have a high here, and this would be your impulse move here, which is the move that creates the downtrend. And that's this one here, because you break structure here. So sometimes you want to pull from this high from here down instead of from up here down. Okay? That is up to you. That is discretionary. You got to be aware of that. So, but it's always low to high, high to low, and that's how you want to isolate price. Now we're coming into our golden pocket. Come on, Bitcoin. Push 68,073. Looking for the short. We'll see if we get there this morning. It is time to pump and push and get wrecked back down, Bitcoin. It is time. It is time. Oh man, I gotta buy green screen this weekend so that you guys don't have to look at my office blue background. Okay? You can shrink me even more. The shrinkage is fine. Crush the like button, guys. Thank you. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Push, baby. Push, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. You got it. You got it, Bitcoin. Don't you be misbehaving now. Come on, baby. 67,980. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on, Bitcoin. A little bit more. No, you didn't. Come on. Is it going to do it to me? A little bit more. All right, let's see. Let's see how we do. Is this gonna dump? Come on up. 68,000? I don't think it's gonna come up to 68,000. I'm going to take a stab, half a position. Take a little stab here. We'll see how it works. We'll see how it works. Little half position here. She's shy. Give her time. Ty Fox, thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. No name, what's going on? Ape, what's going on? The Office is awesome. Thank you. I mean, probably the show he's talking about. Not just my office. Give her time. Give it time. You should get a green blow-up bed for the background. Thanks, Easy C. How you doing, man? Good to see you here. Tyson Prosper, what time frame you recommend pulling? Yeah, we answered that. 221 votes and only 121 likes? Yeah, I know, Dave. It's a very weird ratio, isn't it? Very weird. Mini pump, says Jeanette. Yeah, we're getting the pump into that golden pocket, looking for the short right now. Taking a little stab at it. A little stab. We can always add a little bit higher. We just want to not get left behind here. Okay. Taking a little stab here. See if we can come back down to this beautiful trend line in here. At least back to retest in here. This is looking toppy to me. We'll see. Into our golden pocket. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good times, man. This is good times. I really enjoyed this morning live stream. I really enjoy hanging out with you guys in the morning. I mean, I used to do like the top-down analysis Bitcoin videos in the evening and look at altcoins. And I mean, I can do that for you in the Discord. I don't mind going through your altcoins and taking a look for you guys. Just message me in the Discord. I'll look at them, give you some key levels and everything like that. But this trading in the morning, this is fun, man. This is fun. We all get to hang out, talk a bunch of smack. Good morning, Curtis Neal. What's going on, brother? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Massey's a painter. He's an artiste. Here comes the push. 68.50. That's what we're looking for. $68.50. We'll see if we get it. Like I said, I've taken a nibble. I'm in. So we'll see. Dump it, Bitcoin. I don't care if you don't want to give me the nibble. You can dump it. I don't mind. I'm not going to be mad if you dump it. I won't be mad. I won't be mad. Just happy to be here hanging out with you guys. How does this not look overextended to any of you guys? This is ridiculous. This needs to come down. It needs to behave itself. If you're using Streamlabs, I can send you a BG, a background. I'm just going to get a green screen, man. I'm just going to get one of those things you put up behind you. Easy peasy. Or maybe I just paint a piece of cardboard and stick it to the wall. I like my office, though. I don't want to change the color of my office. I guess I'm going to go vote today and make Canada great again. Make Dave great again. I hope so. Gotta vote. You can't bitch if you don't vote. Can't bitch if you don't vote. Dump it, Bitcoin. Dump it, baby. We short. 67,700 first take profit. 67,700. Right in here. Come on, baby. Come on down. Bow, bow, ba-da-da. We're at 780 right now. S&P pushing back. Yeah, S&P is pushing back. Some strength in this SPY, the Dixie flat. NASDAQ rolling over. NASDAQ rolling over. Russell doesn't know what it wants to do. Russell's trying to reclaim this. Trying to reclaim it. Dump it, Bitcoin. What do I say? Don't be a dick for a tick. Took a little bit of profit off just now. Come on. A little bit more, Bitcoin. Come back down. I think you can do it. It's a battle here today. Look at this thing. This thing's choppy and ugly as ever. As ever, isn't it? I mean, you get long on this, but it's not a comfortable long, I'll tell you that much. Pretty ugly. I'm taking a little bit off of this trade here. I'll shave 25% off. Having a little shave. Down, down, down. You got to break this structure, man. This is just up only. You could even start drawing new trend lines on this thing. Spit on that thing. Jeez. Well, we're in the short. Making money, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Shout out to everybody who took the short at the Golden Pocket with me. Mad love to every single one of you guys. My confidence sounds different today, doesn't it? Canadian politics is getting dramatic. Yeah, we love Justin Trudeau here. We got to say that. That's for our YouTube algorithm. We love Justin. Justin is absolutely fire, man. The guy, he's like the best drama teacher I've ever seen. He's nailing it on a daily. Let's go, Bitcoin. Dump it, baby. We've hit 700. I'm going to take another 25% off, I believe. Don't you think that's a good idea? I think that's a great idea, Alex O Crypto. Thank you for all the gains, man. You're always here on the live, sharing your ideas, supporting the channel. We're 50% out of this trade now. Look at this thing. Come on down. Come on down, baby. Breaking it down, golden pocket. Who's your daddy and what does he do? Who is your daddy and what does he do? Okay? Look at that. GG's, everybody. GG's around the... We're at least break even now, so this is good. This is good. See what happens when you wait? For those who wait, good things always happen. Dump it, baby. Let's go. We're hitting that one little trend line right now, but we've broken on a short-term time frame. This is a mini break of structure, I would say. Mini break of structure. I wouldn't say it's fully on the break of structure side. I would say this is a mini one. This is a significant low here, and we have significant support below us here. So stop losses to entry, break, dump it, Bitcoin. Should have just waited for our golden pocket entry. That's fine. So now we're revisiting the highs. So this is always an important area. We're revisiting a key level of support and a high. This is a potential buy zone, my friends. This is going to be a hard level to break. Okay, within here, very hard level to break. If we break it, we're coming probably back down to 66.8. Okay, you can see we have support here. Okay, this is going to be a hard level to break. That's why we take some profits now. Okay, if we break this, you can look for the continuation down. Okay, but right now, this is a very nice trade. Good job, everybody. If you took the trade at the golden pocket with us, looking for this thing to come back down into, we would like this to come down. I would let this thing ride at least into the middle of this range here. So if we're looking here, probably, 67. Okay. We've paid ourselves already. This is great. If it does come back on us, we can look to, now that we're basically breaking structure to the downside, what we look for is we look for this thing to come break structure, come back up, right? Continuation down. Or we're looking for an SFP up at the highs, right? A push up to grab liquidity of the shorts. And then we're looking for continuation. Okay, if you want to be a little bit more safe, you can wait. You can wait for this to be broken. And then go, okay? But right now, this is a nice juicy trade, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It's 10 o'clock. We've gone over today with a laggy stream. That's pretty wild. That's pretty wild. So thank you, everybody, for being here. I'm gonna sign off. I'm gonna thank you with my horrible hexagonal picture here. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Subscribe. Come and hang out in the Discord. Would love to have you. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And for all the others, I'll see you guys in the Discord. Take care. Much love. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto.